Okay, in this simple tutorial, we'll be taking a look at Thonny's Python IDE. So if you go to programming, you should see it here. Um, we'll mess around and see how this works. So I'm using Python 3.11.2 down here. So maybe let's just print hello world and see if I can run this. So you can see here down in the bottom, it printed hello world. Maybe we can create a function that adds two numbers. Um, it accepts A and B, and we can just return A plus B. Um, we can do answer equals add, I don't know, 25 and 5, so we should get 30, and we can print our answer. So if I save this and run it, I should get 30, and you can see we get 30 down here in the shell output window. Uh, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can use this lightweight IDE. There's some debugging that you can do. Maybe we'll do another video on that. Uh, anyways, thanks for watching.